4:30 a.m. Let's rock.
Learning the path as I go. Everybody knows it's spoken on the radio. There is a truth in the lies. I dare to leave you twice. There's no tomorrow here.
How you feeling, boys?
Good. We highways off playground, my man. The highways off playground. You got glizzies?
So we're at where are we at? What is this place called? We're at Royal Farms in Maryland. We're under a pump right there. You see all the bikes right there. It's cold and it's raining, but we're almost there. We got about another 80-90 miles and we're making good time. So we're gonna chill out in here for a little bit, warm up, have a coffee, watch some horse racing. Getting my Joe. Not so bad. A little wet, a little rainy. Got Mr. Holy Shift over here in the building. He's gonna get a hot cocoa.
Chocolate.
But other than that, pretty good. Bikes are filthy. We're gonna need a place to wash them. So whoever lives in the land, Florida, when we arrive, hit us up. We need a place to wash our bikes. All right, guys. We hung out here at the Royal Farms here and fueled up. Waited until the big heavy rain passed. It's still coming down, but we're on our way. We got about 90 miles to go to LORTON, Virginia, to the Autotrain. About an hour and a half, we should be there, and we'll show you guys the incredible load up on that Amtrak Autotrain. All right, so we made it to LORTON, Virginia, waiting in line for the Autotrain. If you guys could see it, it's right there. There's a car. It's like double decker, 2 levels. They just pack up the train. Got a cargo train now. But anyway, we're waiting in line. We're gonna load up. We got about 4 hours until we leave. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, so a gentleman just passed. He told us to kind of pass the line right here. We're gonna go all the way up where the motorcycles load up. And if one of you guys laughs at me, I'm gonna kill you. That's right, I got my, yeah. I got my white papuche on because my boots were soaked, socks were soaked. I had to take it off, it wasn't comfortable. All right, so we're here where they load up the bikes. Let me show you guys. So we got our bikes here. There's another gentleman already waiting. You got this ramp. You see the ramp right there? And then basically they get loaded up on these cars right here, double chocked. And then you see all the big cars right there that they're gonna load, go right in there. I'll show you guys the process soon. We should be getting loaded up pretty soon here. All right, guys, Glenn's all loaded up. Got Glenn's right there. Got mine, got Sandy's. They're gonna take these skids and load it up right there onto all those cars. Look at that. There's only 10, oh, there he is, Jersey baggers in the house, Jersey baggers. There's only 10 bikes going today. I think there was 12 that left yesterday, but there's only 10 that are going onto the train today. We got another gentleman here with a beautiful, let me show you his bike. What's your name, sir? John. John? Mine's John too. How you doing?
Good.
Good. Nice bike.
I like that
here. All right, so we're basically ready. I got my couple bags over there. I packed the lunch. I got my wet boots that I'm gonna bring with me so they dry on the train. And we got a 16, well, we're actually leaving still in about another 3 hours at 4 o'clock. And then we have a 16-hour ride all the way to Sanford, Florida. So stay tuned, I'll show you guys around. The station is right there. It was really simple, really easy to get on. If you ever come here with a bike, do yourself a favor, just pass the line up, because there's a different area where they load cars and motorcycles. Motorcycles they load here, so you could actually pass the entire line and go straight to the motorcycle. So we were waiting over there until somebody told us to go here. So do yourself a favor, just pass the line. That's the train station right there. So we're gonna head on over there, chill out for a little bit, and wait until 4 o'clock. All right, we got a little turkey wrap going, but everybody loves my outfit. I got some high waters with some white flip flops, but it beats hanging out in cold feet, right? Soaked boots. We already got a Road Glide ST over here in the building. Check it out. Got the ST going. Congrats. That's all right. That's all right. You got the foundation for it, man. All right, we're inside the terminal. We're gonna check in. $53.10. $53.10. $53.10. $53.10. Left. All right, guys, so we're on the second floor, second deck, 5310. Really nice seats. Alcantara, I think. What do you think, Dave? Alcantara on the seats. Heated seats. I think it's really nice. Got a little tray right there. Like we salted already showed.
Ricardo Montalban.
Oh. A lot of leg room in my white papucha. Look. And then right here, this is the door that the train car ends. That's the next door. And right there is the bar, and also they're going to be serving breakfast over there and food and stuff. So pretty cool so far. All right, check this out. Amtrak Autotrain special. got the seat there. Oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh yeah. They didn't unlock it yet. Yeah. Nice.
Oh, they said anything.
Pretty comfortable. Very ample amount of leg room. Even at 6'2", you got a tray there. We got a nice view. Back seat. Second floor.
The best thing is your neighbor.
I'll kick my neighbor out in a second.
Oh, right. He's a half brother. He's a half brother? Yes. He has 5 half brothers.
So was the doctor.
No, Dog Jr.'s his brother-in-law. Dog Jr. has sons, so it's not a performance.
Oh damn.
Huh? Easy job.
That's pretty cool. Coffee,
I'm walking back.
bar,
Going forward.
pretty cool.
Let me have a.
Got a hot dog?
No hot dogs for me.
What's up, everyone? Pretty cool. Got a little table here.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are aware of the problem with our internet, and we are working on getting the problem taken care of. We thank you for your patience.
It amazes me how people comment here on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, especially TikTok. TikTok is notorious for knuckleheads commenting. And commenting in regards to this. Why aren't you guys riding down? Why can't you just ride down? Been there, done that, got the t-shirt several times. We always ride. I ride in, me and the guys ride in 5 degrees, 10-degree weather, all winter long. We ride 900 mile days straight. We do 16, 18-hour days. So we've been there, done that. We're the youngest guy. Well, who's the youngest here? In their 30s? All right, so I'm gonna be 50, and then a couple guys are over 50. So we don't need to be doing that. We don't have nothing to prove. We rode already. But how many of you guys been on the Autotrain? And I'm sure probably not a lot of you. So why the stupid comments? So that's what I just don't get. Why not experience something different? That's what, you know, life's a journey, right, Glenn?
Absolutely.
Life's a journey, experience new things. And look at this. This is amazing. We're gonna be going through some beautiful countryside. We have a couple cocktails here. We got some drinks. What do you got, Glenn?
Not only that, but we get there refreshed.
That's right. We're gonna get there.
We're gonna be able to do everything.
Absolutely refreshed, like Glenn just said. Not tired. We'll be able to do what we want. Why ride? You know, someone said 10 hours. It's not 10 hours from New Jersey down to Daytona. You're talking about probably, yeah, you're talking a good 18 hours. And it was pouring rain when we came down here to Virginia. It took us 6 hours just to go 278 miles. So I don't want to hear none of that crap. Why didn't you guys ride? We ride. But have you ever been on the Autotrain? That's the question. And if you haven't, definitely, look at this. Definitely check it out. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, yeah. Roll gold. Roll gold in the Doritos, man. Gotta have, what do you got, Glenn? Why are you sitting over there?
I got a beer.
What do you got? You got scotch?
No, I got a Jack Daniels.
Oh, little Jack.
Got some for my nightcap.
Oh, nightcap. So that's what it's all about. And now, you know, we had a nice ride this morning. It was in the pouring rain. I got soaked. But, wow, this is beautiful. Look at this. We're going, I guess this is the bay. This is the bay now. This is really beautiful, guys. Really, really nice. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's kind of bright. But that's what it's all about. It's about a journey. It's about being with friends. It's about being able to talk, hang out, We had a nice ride this morning. We had a 6-hour ride, almost 300 miles this morning. So what's wrong with that? And now we're gonna be in a train, man. We're already laughing, having a blast, having a good time, reminiscing about the past and talking about the future. We have a lot to talk about. This will give us a great opportunity to talk about it, like the BDR that we're gonna do, like Sturgis and all the upcoming future stuff and future plans. So this is beautiful.
And anybody who knows, who has friends, this is what we like to do. We like to sit,
That's
chop
right.
it up,
That's
hang
right.
out.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? The whole place to this is what it's all
right.
about.
I'm talking about the knuckleheads commenting.
Well, you know, they're gonna get old too.
Now these guys, you know, these guys that comment, and I'm sure you guys know, whoever has a YouTube channel out there, they're sitting in their mommy's basement and they're typing away. You know, they probably don't even ride. Like I don't comment. I don't even actually comment back to stupid comments because I just don't want that bad energy.
Exactly.
I just want to have a good time. I want to enjoy life and just give positive vibes and good karma and, you know, just give goodness. You know, that's it. That's what it's all about. What do you got there, Stevie? Oh, he's got the Coors Light. Oh, he's got the shrimpy. He's got exaggerated. Oh, look at the guy. Look, in the kayak. Or not kayak, but what is that? A raft. That is cool. Bay, I think. Yeah. Really nice. So that's what it's all about, guys. If you definitely have the chance to get the Autotrain from Virginia to Florida or vice versa, give it a shot. It's pretty cool. The whole experience is great. If you're going with a bunch of guys, just try it out even once. We're gonna be riding to Sturgis this year, and we're gonna be doing probably about 4,000 to 5,000 miles on our Sturgis trip. So don't give me no cockamamie comments that why don't you guys ride? Let me see this setup, Sandy. Let me see this setup. What we got
And
there?
how did you think of that setup?
Bo, are you taking notes?
How did you think of that setuut?
One of my
taking notes. You should put a
favorite
mouthpiece
YouTubers
on
does
there.
that.
Oh,
That's how we
that's
sound.
brilliant. That's brilliant, Sandy. Get out of here! Don't touch me before I kick you in my white shoes. Guys, it's about 8 o'clock. We're gonna relax now. Train ride is super comfortable, super dope. We had a great time with the guys over there in the dining car. It's lights out now. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
Yeah, absolutely. Peace out.